Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through another How To Thursday. This is going to be part of our Opt Outside workout series, and today we're going to learn how to do a slip right and slip left. This is going to be part of defense for boxing, and today we're ready to learn something new. If you are, smash that thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. Let's go ahead and get right into it. First, we're going to need to get into a nice strong fighting stance. This is part of defense. We're going to learn how to avoid being in the hot zone by slipping between right and left. It's a very slight motion, right and left, as we're avoiding jabs and straights. So here, we're leading with our right foot, left foot in the back, hands are up, and we're slightly leaning right and slightly leaning left. Now we're leaning forward. So make sure that you're focusing on your balance, and it's a slight lean forward, right? Slight lean forward, left. Let's go ahead and switch stance. Left foot forward, right foot in the back. Again, hands are up, and we're going to begin here. This is our starting position. We're going to slip slightly forward, left, and slip slightly forward, right. We're getting out of the hot zone by slightly leaning, not using too much energy this in the lean, but we're focusing on staying ready in our defense as we slightly lean forward, left and slip, and right and slip. And that, my friends, is how you perform a slip right and slip left in order to defend yourself when fighting. If you're learning something new, smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.